So my son was saying, I mean, look at this box. Even my son was saying how amazing this was. I was noticing that. That's amazing. This collection is amazing. And look inside the box. This is just amazing. I'm not throwing these out. I got a new nail polish. I'm not opening this one. I opened the other one and I'm going to give it away. Look at even inside. And I took a picture that even the nail polish is like that. Look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. That's the bronzer and the highlighter are like the same. And we already know the details of, you know, the cover. It's just, this collection is amazing for us 70s and 80s children. Growing up playing this, I had an Atari. I think I have the one for the GameCube too, the Pacman and Miss Pacman. I wish I could get Pacman Jr. That was fun. So yeah, I'm not throwing out these boxes. Look, and even the fruit boxes have, you know, like the little logo inside. This is just an amazing collection. It was worth the $70.